yourself a 55mm socket, man. Expensive ones that has a wider opening, it will not fit through there. Then you gotta finagle some kind of adjust. See, the bearing came loose. One right there. That's where that bearing came right in there. Then it's going to be pressed onto the shaft. Right. But this guys, you're definitely going to need this because CVT transmissions, ball bearings. The shorter ones goes to the prime. In there. Oh, good. Now, as you can see, absolutely clean. So get you a screwdriver already. Now, if you look at the instruction manual or anybody, no, that's sealing real good. That's how that's supposed to work. Guys, now Sylvia asked a good question off camera, and it's something.